Hi everyone. Hope you all can hear me now. Just 1 minute, guys. Actually, this is the first day of session, right? So probably we'll be waiting for the every students to join because some people may be facing some issue while joining. And the only reason why we started little late, okay, is because of everybody to join the session. You no need to worry. Daily it is not repeated. Okay. Hope before talk something, let me introduce about me to you all people. This is Swapna, your trainer, and I'm presently working in one of an MNC company as a manager. Okay, as a quality manager, uh, and I have around 11 plus years of experience in testing part. Can somebody please go on mute? And and in this teaching, I have around 9 plus years of experience in this testing teaching. Okay, uh, right. So this is about me. So before I begin the session, the class has started, Kunal. I hope you all can listen me. So before I begin the session, I just want to say everybody a warm welcome to you all people. Okay, I just want to say everybody from in this team, a warm welcome to everybody here. Okay, so first of all, before I begin, uh, so what do you know, guys? What is uh, a testing means what? First of all, I'll ask what is software means what? Okay, let me get an answer from you people. Let me go with this one. So software. So what do you say about this software? Means what? What is this software? Means don't unmute and tell me, guys. The session is getting recorded. Please send the messages in the chat box. I'll see all your messages. It's an humble request from my end to everybody. Don't unmute at your end. Don't on your videos. Don't unmute at your end. Please send the messages in the chat box. Okay, I can see the messages. Everybody. So what do you see? Means you might have studied this definition from your schools, from your colleges, from ages back, right? You might have studied this definition, right? So in general way, not a definition, professional definition is not needed. In general way, what do you say about this software means? Oh, okay, getting good answers. Wow, super. Getting good answers from everybody, Madhuri, Yogesh, Shesh, and Yatish. Yes, good answers. Prashant, Vijay, Varsha. Yes. Hope, good, very good, kid. I'm getting very good answers from everyone. Yes. Very good, Megha, Deepa, Vinod, Rishikesh. Good. Good guess. So I can't call all the names. Good sounds good, right? I got a message from most of the people. Good. Guess. So I'll give a simple definition on this. Okay, a set of executable programs. What do you see? You know already, right? The same thing what we learned from the beginning of our days, right? Beginning of our schools or colleges. The set of executable program of an application. We don't want this definition, right? This is just a definition. We are putting something on a paper. Am I correct? We put something on a paper. We write something on a paper. We write something on a board. This is just a definition. Actual, what is software? What is happening? Without software, there is nothing is going on. You believe me or not? I think you accept. Correct me if I'm wrong. Without software, there is nothing is going on now. No, without software, there are no IT companies, there is no business, there is no schools, there is no marketing, nothing is going on. Everything is going with softwares only nowadays. Everything, whatever you do in schools, in colleges, in IT companies, somehow anyhow it is mandatory. In business sectors, in marketing, wherever you go, it is playing a very, very, very important role. Without a software, there is nothing is there in the world now. The complete world it is ruling. Software is something which is ruling now in the market. Like it is ruling the world. It is something which is ruling the world. I can say in one single word. Okay, so what is software? To put on a paper, I can say a set of executable program as an application. But what we say, Google is there. That is one software application. Google. We normally use it, right? Google. WhatsApp is there. You people are using. That is one software application, right? We normally use it. Right. Do you accept me? Correct me if I'm wrong. You accept me, right? Right. Right. So WhatsApp is there. Facebook is there. That is one software application. Those are nothing but what you want software applications. These definitions are just put it on a paper. That's all. Right. Am I correct? So what is a software? If somebody asks you a professional definition on this, I can say a set of executable program of an application. This is a professional definition. But Sir Lata, can you check it out? I'm continuously getting one pop-up message. Do something there. Can you able to do something there, Lata? I'm continuously getting one pop-up there. Now am I audible to everybody? So means testing, I got a very good answers, guys, everybody. So let me put on one definition in one paper. So what I do is that testing is something comparison of. Send someone please go on mute. I'm getting an echo. So what is this? I can do it. Comparison of what here? Simple thing. Comparison of expected value with actual value. Okay. What I do is that let me add a simple, very simple definition here. Comparison of expected value, okay, with actual value. So this is called as what here? Testing. So finding out the defects and all, everything, whatever you have told the definitions are perfectly fine. No issues in that. Okay, all are perfectly fine. No issues in that. The only thing is that here, if I want to put down one definition on a paper, I'll put like what comparison of what expected value with actual value. Now, here comes one more point with you people. What is that one other point you might have received? Like what? What is this expected value man is saying about? What is this actual value man is saying about? If that is your doubt, correct? Everybody got this doubt or not? Correct me if I'm wrong, correct? You might have received. Everybody got this doubt, correct? So what is this? If madam is saying that comparison of expected value with actual value, then what is this actual expected value means what? And what actual value means what? Right. So everybody will say. So what is this expected value? What is this actual value and all? Means normal definition, everybody will say. So what comes under this expected value? What comes under this actual value? I think expected value is nothing but what here? Before development. So before we develop, okay, before development, okay, before development, what is expected value here? Before development, client requirement is called as what here? Before development. Can someone please go on mute? Can someone please go on mute? Before development, client requirement, okay, client requirement is nothing but what here? Which is called as expected value. That is before development. And what is actual development? Actual value after development. After development, the developed application development is done here. The developed application, okay, developed application is called as what here? Which is called as actual value. Okay, expected value is simple words. I can say it is a client requirement. Let me make it easy to you. It is nothing but what here? Client requirement, and actual value is nothing but what here? Developed application. That's all. Simple thing. To say this very simple, this is the only thing I can do. Okay. To say it very simple, this is the only thing I can say. Let me give you clarity on this. So what is this actual value? What is this developed application? So if I say simple, expected value is nothing but what here? Client requirement, and actual value is nothing but what here? Developed application. Okay. So I'll give you an example, guys, you will understand clearly. For example, okay, so I went to a showroom to buy a car. Okay, what I want to do, I just want to buy a car. So for that, I'll go to a showroom. So what is my expectation? So I have selected one car and I just want to go with a trial drive. Okay, I've selected one car, and what I want to do, I just want to go with what? I'm a client, right? Right. I'm a client. So I have gone to one of the means showroom, and I just want to buy a car, and I have selected one car. So what is my expectation? I ask for what? If I want to buy a car, what I do here? I just go for a trial drive, right? So let me go for a trial drive for this car. Okay. So they accepted it. So what is my expectation there? As soon as I give a key to the car should start. I'm a client. What is my expected value there? What is my expectation there? As soon as I give a key to the car should start. That is my requirement. As a client, that is my requirement. Got it, everybody? Try to understand the example. So that is what expected. I'm expecting something. I give a key to the car should start and I have to drive smoothly. That is probably my expectation. What happens actually? What is actual value? If the car gets starts, well and good case. So as soon as I have given key to the car, what is happening here? That the car is started. I have given a key to the car is started and it is going very smoothly. So in that case, what happened? What is happening? Whatever I am expecting and what is happening actually both are matching. I'm correct? Whatever I am expecting and what is actually happening, both are matching. Somebody please on in their videos, please off your videos, please. Videos are not allowed here. Please off your videos, please. Everybody. So I have given a key to the car, okay, and the car is going to started means very smoothly, and I can drive the car very smoothly. So whatever I am expecting, it is matching. Means what? There is no defect in the car. It is going absolutely fine. Correct. For example, I am giving a key to the car, and the car is not started. I'm trying to give the key to the car for multiple times. I have given 2 times, 3 times, couple of times, multiple times I have given. What happened? The car is not started. Means whatever I am expecting is not matching with the actual now. Correct? I'm expecting that whenever I give a key, it has to start smoothly and I have to drive smoothly. That is what my expectation being a client. Okay. But what is happening? Due to some defect in the car. Okay. Here it is no defect. Okay. Here it is no defect here. It is going smoothly. But due to some defect in the car, there is some defect in the car. Due to that defect in the car is not getting started. Somehow the other some mistake is there. Right. Reason may be anything, but some mistake is that the car has been not started. Right. This is what actual means. Right. This is what a defect finding means. What how we find out? Yes, we find out a defect. In what way we find out a defect? We compare expected value with actual value. Means as per the client requirement, everything we developed properly or not. Directly, if you say finding out testing means what? Finding out the defects. Yes, you will find out the defects. But how? How you will find out the defects? This understood, guys? Now everybody clear? Everybody can say testing means what? Finding out the defects. Finding out in what way you find out the defects, right? So this is the actual definition what we have to say. This is the way where we find out the defect. If everything is matching, seems like there is no defect. Means what the client is expecting and what we have developed, our developers will develop it, right? What the developed has developed and what the client is expecting. If both are matching, then what happened? There is no defect in that application. If somewhat something, if they both are not matching, obviously we can say there is some defect in the application. For that reason, it is not matching. Hope everybody clear? Clear with the definition now? I hope you understand what is testing. Is it clear? Any questions, any queries from anyone? Please ping the chat box. Don't unmute and ask me. Hope everybody clear with this. Thank you. Thanks for confirming it. So this is all. Simple way we can say finding out the defects. But what is that finding out the defect? Here comes, we can say exploring answer now. This is correct. The answer which is exploring now. Right. Now you are very much clear. Okay. Finding out defects means this is what we expect. Compare what with expected with actual one. Now here comes the question what? What is software testing? So now we have seen what is software. And after that, we have seen what is testing. Now, compare these two. Now, start. Software testing. So we have seen separately software, we have seen separately testing. Now we have to see what? what is software testing now. Okay, well, we have to see what now? What is software testing? Okay, now simple thing you can say before going to explain about the software testing is I'll explain you clearly in one diagram. Just see, right? So I'm very bad at drawings. Just have a look into this and try to understand. Okay, so here we go. I can say that he is a client. Okay, see, try to understand this diagram, guys. First of all, concentrate on this. This is very important for what's happening. Yeah. So this is a client here. So normally client will provide the requirements to whom? To the developers. Okay. So here we go. I can give he is a developer. Okay. He is a developer. Try to understand this diagram, guys, which is very important. And then here I can put down this is what the application developed. Okay, this is what the application developed. Some or the other we have developed something here, and this is the application developed. Developed application or application developed. And there we go. Here we are. Okay, so we are the testers. Okay. Okay. So here is a tester. Right. So here we are the testers. So see the flow. See here, guys, everybody. Right. So what happened is that client is someone who provides the requirements to the developer. Okay. So who will provide the requirement is client. So I want this application like this. I want this application like this. I want this like this. I want this like that. Client will provide some requirement. Right. Normally, if I go to any mobile shop, if I want to buy a mobile, what do? I don't know. So I'll go. I want a mobile of this brand. I want iPhone. Right. I want an iOS phone. If I go to Android, if I want to go to Vivo phone, like that, I'll go and say my requirement. My mobile pixel should be like this. Right. I want a mobile in this price. Right. I'll go to the showroom and I'll say this one. Right. I want a mobile in this price. I want to go to this branded phone, this color phone, this pixel size phone. Like that, being a customer, I'll say my requirements. In the same way, client will have some requirements. So I want one application like this. So that requirements will be given to the developer. So based on these requirements, the developer will develop the application. Assume that this is what the application will have developed. Right. So after development is done, normally what we do after development is done, so we will send it to the client. So development is done. So this development part is done and we will send it to the client. Okay. This is what normally happens. Again, someone please go on mute. This is, please don't repeat it, please. Okay. So normally what happened, the application is developed and we have given it to the client. So this is what happens. Okay. But before sending this application to the client, before sending this application to the client, the developer will give that application to the testing team for testing. Directly, they won't give that application to the client. So before sending it to the client, listen guys, everybody concentrate on this point, what I'm saying now. Okay, before sending it to the client, okay, the developers will give that application for us for testing, for testers for testing the applications. If after testing, being a tester, you have tested the application and after testing, you feel like everything is good, then you will give sign off. Sign off means you will give an approval. Yes, now you can send it to the client. Sign off means what? You give an approval. Yes, we are okay with the application. Now you can send it to the client. Like that, you will give a sign. Okay. So testing means again what we do here. Requirement is what? Client requirement is expected value. And the application developed is what? Actual value. Correct. What we do here? What we do here? actual value here. Correct. This is what actual value here. So being a tester, what we do? We compare this expected value with actual value. If expected value is equal to actual value, means no defect is found here. What it is? No defect is found. Then obviously what you do here, you will give a sign. Okay, you will give a sign off and that will be sent to the client. If there is some error, if there is some error, if expected value not equal to the actual value, you found some defects, you found some errors, if that is not equal to the actual value, then immediately what you do, you will send it to the client. I'm sorry. You will send it to the developer. You will revert it back to the developer saying that, so these are all the defects I have found. Please fix them now. Right? What you'll do before sending this application to the client, first developer will give for a tester to test the application. So what testers will do? Tester will start testing. Testing means what? They started comparing of expected value with actual value, these two values. Okay. If everything is fine and everything is going smoothly, then there is no defect is there, then obviously they will give an approval. Yes, defects are not fine, you can send it to the client. If there are some defects, probably what happens, most of the times there will be defects only there. After multiple iterations, the application will be defect free. Probably that time also it won't be defect free. Major defects will not be there. That I'll explain you going forward. As of now, try to understand this. If expected value equal to the actual value, no defect is there, then give a sign off and send it to the client. And there are some defects, then immediately you have to revert it back to the developer, saying that what? I have found some defects here, so please fix it. Then what the developer will do? Then developer immediately will fix those issues. Right. Again, what happened? Again, he will send one more application ready. Right. He fixed all the issues, right? Now the application is ready. For what? For testing. So again, tester started what? He started testing the application. Okay. Again, he finds some defects. Second time also he found few more defects again. Then again, what he will do? He will give it back to the developer. Again, developer will fix it. Again, he will send that application. Now the application is ready. Again, you got that application for test. Again, what happened? You found some defects. Again, you have sent it to developer. Again, developer fix it. Again, that application will come to you for testing. So what happens, this cycle will continuously rotate like this. This cycle will continuously go like this until and unless the application becomes a defect-free application. You are all able to see my screen. Hope so, right? Anybody is there who can't see the screen? I can see some messages that they can't see the screen. Hope you all can see the screen. Fine. Right. So this is what. Yeah. Right. So this is what happens, So this complete cycle will rotate from developer to tester, tester to developer, developer to tester, tester to developer. This complete cycle will rotate continuously until the application becomes error-free, means defect-free. Now, finally, it has become after so many rounds like this. So the application now has become no defect now. No, what we do? Okay, we have given a sign off. So what happened? Finally, sign off has been given and that application will be sent to the client. So this is what normally happens. This is the process, what normally happens. Okay. So a question to you all people, just have a look in here. For example, listen that this is one logo. So I'm very bad at drawing. See, this is the logo of the company, assume that. So what the client requirement is that the logo should be exactly, it should be displayed in white color. So this is what the client requirement. Okay, so what our developers has done, probably reason maybe anything, they might have not read the requirement properly, whatever it is, but they have developed this in some other color, maybe blue or black or some other color. Okay, instead of white, they have developed this in some other color. Actual requirement of client is what? My logo of the company should be displayed in white color, but our developers has developed it in black color. Now tell me, Is there is a defect in the application or not? Let me see how many of you answer. Okay, okay, very good. Yes, yes, very good, guys. Very good. Superb answers, guys. Very good response from everyone. Yes, there is a defect in the application. It should be in white color, but it is displaying in black color. So obviously, there is some defect in the application. Correct. So that defect, what we do? Again, we will send it to the developer saying that logo should be in black color, but it is sorry, logo should be in white color. It is developed in black color. So like that, I have just shown you one example for you to understand. Like this, you have to compare and you have to find out what here defects here. So that is what software testing means. Means what happened. So in every company, yes, wherever you go the company in India, you go it in MNC, any MNC company, or you go it in any small company or big company, or you go the company in the US, UK, Canada, wherever you go, the process will be same. The process will be same. Okay, the process will be same here. Okay, wherever you go, this is what the process happens. Right. So this is what about software testing, what we do. Nothing but what? A process of executing an application to find out the defects. Okay. A process of what it is here, a process of executing an application to find out the defects. Is nothing but what here? It is nothing but what here, which is called as what here? Software testing. What is the software testing? A process of executing an application to find out the defects is called as what? Which is called as a software testing. Complete software testing, I explained you in this diagram so that you will have a clear-cut picture on this. That is what I mentioned, the same definition, right? Executing an application to find out. Let's don't make a complicated definitions. Simple thing for you to understand. A one-line definitions. That's all. Clear? This is how we can say answers in an interview. No issue with that. Okay. Hope everybody clear up to now. Any questions? Any queries? Any questions from your end? Sounds good. No questions, right, everybody? Okay, right. Crystal clear. Right. Then good, guys. Sounding good. Everybody's clear. No issues. Then let me explain you about this batch first of all. Okay, then I'll go with the next one, that is something like I can say history of testing. Before going to that history of testing, let me explain you. Okay, this is what the real time answers. Okay. Okay, let me explain you the about this batch first, because as you are new, and let me explain you the process and all. Okay. Okay, right. So listen, everybody. So this is a manual batch. What we are starting. Concentrate, guys. This is very important for you all. So that this is a manual batch that we are starting, and daily the session will be from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. The session will be okay. Daily 1 hour of session to you all people. Okay, and that is from Monday to Saturday, and Sunday probably I'm going to give an off to you people. Okay, Monday to Saturday. And the duration of this course is, I can say, 4 to 5 weeks, not more than that, 4 to 5 weeks. And I'm going to explain you a live project. And most important thing, this is a free batch. You don't need to pay any 1 rupee also to anybody or nothing. Absolutely, it is a free batch or free source where you can join the session. Okay, you don't need to worry, and nobody will ask you anything to pay. Okay, so we are providing a free batch to you people. Please do inform to your friends if anybody else wants to join, because it is absolutely a free batch to you all. Okay. Okay, so yes, you can go ahead with the batch, and probably I'm going to give you the daily notes to you people. Daily notes will be sent to you through the mail to you people. We will not now, we will collect the mails. Once the batch gets settled, we'll collect all your mail IDs, then we'll send the notes to you. Only notes, please. Recordings they will send to you only first 3 days. Recordings will be shared to you. Okay, and notes will be sent to you daily, and you no need to write. See, whatever I'm writing, all the definitions here, right? You no need to provide the notes and write it on our. Just probably I'm writing everything here. You may understand. So this I'll send to you people. Okay, just hold on, Varsha. Let the batch get settled. This is the first day, right? So that is what I'm be sending daily notes to you, and this is completely a free batch as I mentioned, and the duration will be 4 to 5 weeks. And I'm going to start this here. I'm going to teach you a live project also, right? You can join the session up to the live project first, the complete theory part, then I'll go with the practical part with live project, and that live project also with agile methodology. Uh, Probably you might have heard it, which is trending now in the market. Live project with agile methodology. Okay, so I'll guide you. Interview guidance also will be there. So this is what how we are going to answer in the interview guidance. That also I'm going to give you an example, and I'll provide you certification guidance. Okay, and resume preparation guidance also will be there. Resume preparation guidance, certification guidance, interview guidance, all those guidance process and all we are going to explain you. You don't need to worry about it. And whatever the documents it is required for you, like test cases preparation, right, test scenarios preparations, RTM preparations, and all everything we will provide you such documents. Okay, and at the same time, we are going to explain you some tools like test management tools. Also, I'm going to explain you people. Okay, test management tools. Test management tools, what? Like we have testing, ALM, like that. We have some tools, right? Those tools, one of the tools I'm going to explain you, and the bug tracking tool also. So whatever the bug tracking tools are there in the market, like Jira, Redmine, right? Bugzilla, so many are there. So those are all the bug tracking tools. Also, I'm going to explain you, right? So this probably this will be at the end of the sessions, at the end of the batches will be there, because let me complete live project with theory sessions and practical sessions. Then we can go with the tools. Okay. So agile scrum process will be our live project, which is trending now in the market. Certification guidance means, so this is how we that this part is important for certificate, like that. You once you join the session, you will understand how we will guide it. Okay. Right. Hope everybody clear. A lot of technical topics and non-technical topics, everything I'm going to cover here. Okay. So, but only thing is that if you're very regular to the classes and if you're on time to the classes, then only we will be sending you the notes. If not, notes will not be sent to you, and probably you will not understand the sessions. So if you join by your way. Okay. The only we people want you guys to be join the sessions regularly. Okay. Right. Okay. Please join the session regularly and just get it done. And once I can say that if this batches get completed, you people will become eligible as an experienced person, more than 3+ years of experience. Literally, I can say example means more than that, 5+, 6+ also based on your ability. Minimum, I can say you can add 3+ years of experience to your resume. That much eligibility you will gain it, guys. Once the batches get completed, you will gain such a knowledge by yourself, like you can able to add it 3+ years of experience to your resume. And if you want to go and for just if you want to search, go and search somewhere everywhere in Naukri or Monster or somewhere else. Lot of openings are there for testing here. So this is the scope where you can learn. Go and search if you want to go search, go and search there. There are a lot of openings here for testing. So go ahead and you can just join the batch for your sessions. Okay. Hope everybody clear. Any questions, any queries you wanna put down? Please don't unmute and ask the questions. Please ping in the chat box. I told already. Session is getting recorded. Please, guys. Everybody, I'm saying. Please ping in the chat box whatever you wanna ask. Yeah. Going forward, we'll start it. Manju, not Manju, or I know Manju. Going forward, we'll start it. Okay. Yeah, the same link is the same link. The link will not be changed. With the same link, you can join daily. Link will not be changed. Okay. And next will be the history of testing, means when the testing is started, how it started, and all. Next topics will be there. Okay. Lata and Lasya, if you want to add something, you can add it. From my end, I have done. So this is today's demo session. Tomorrow, please join at 8:30. But hold on, something need to be added to you people. Just hold on, okay, everybody. Lata and Lasya, if you want to add something, you can add it. You are.
Hi guys, this is Lasya. I'm from EduXfactor team. Thanks for attending the section, guys. And the everyday link to join for the training is same and the timing is also same. So the class starts at 7:30 p.m. with the same link. Okay. And I'm giving you one link in the chat box. Please just click on that link and submit your details so that we can share you the daily notes. And as it's a free section, you'll get the first 3 days recording sections to your mail also. So I just shared you the link in the chat box. Just provide your details in that so that we can share you everyday notes once the class is completed. And the timing is same, guys. It's the 7:30 with the same link. So if you share your details in that through that link, so that our team will communicate with you. If you have any issues, they'll try to solve it. So I'm providing the number also. So if you're having any queries or issues, you can contact on this number. And please try to call from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. on that number regarding the notes and everything. From tomorrow also the class starts at 7:30 p.m. with the same link. From Monday to Saturday, classes will be there. Only Sunday there will be no classes. Try for after some time, guys. Go to copy that link and paste it somewhere and try for somewhere. Just sign into your Google account, Gmail. Then only the link will open. Okay. Once again, I shared you the link. So you can sign it through your Gmail only. It's a Google Sheet link. The link is working, guys. So automation and everything, once the parallelly manual classes is done, Trina will let you know regarding the automation classes, guys. So rather than that, do you have any issues regarding the classes? Please let us know. The link is working, guys. After some time, please try it. If you log in with your Gmail only, you can submit your details as it's a Google form link. And everyone is submitting the details also. Okay, yes, thanks for the section, guys. Tomorrow, let's join. Let's meet tomorrow at 7:30 with the same link. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Right now, I'm ending the meeting, guys. If anyone is not copied the link, try to copy that link.